Maybe later on, Mr. Chair, may we ask for a subpoena to this person, Mr. Michael Yang. And if this is true, that this is the last travel date noong May 24.
Good observation, Congressman Flores. Perhaps this is the only travel he made which he left for more than a month and has not come back since. We will get to that,
Mr. Chair.
Congressman Flores, as soon as we directly can ask questions directly to him, because it was promised to us by his lawyer, Attorney Fortun, in the last hearing, that he assured the committee that he will bring Mr. Michael Yang before this committee.
Mr. Chair,
Yes,
is Attorney Richard Fortun around? He's not around, right?
is Attorney Fortun not around? He's not around.
And the pending deliverables of Chairman Akop was a show cause order that was issued to Mr. Michael Yang. Am I
Yes,
correct?
that is correct. Yes.
And with the observation of Mr. Chairman, Congressman Kit Flores, with all these documents pertaining to the engagement of Attorney Fortun with Michael Yang, it seems that there are some deception in here. So maybe later on, Mr. Chair, may we ask for a subpoena to this person, Mr. Michael Yang. And if this is true, that this is the last travel date noong May 24, excuse me, May 12, 2024. I think we need to invite Attorney Richard Fortun to give us more details about the travel back.
Raymond, Attorney Raymond Fortun.
Yes, Attorney Raymond Fortun. Dahil nga May 12, 2024 yung alis niya ng Manila. And I think it is the right person, Mr. Chairman Akop, who will follow up for this purpose. And I'm giving back my time to the borrowed time to Chairman Akop.
Thank you, Congressman Fernandez. Congressman Akop, please proceed.
Attorney Raymond Fortun also promised to submit details of Mr. Michael Yang's corporate investments in the Philippines. Has Attorney Fortun complied with this?
Yes, it is also in the letter that was sent to us. And the attachment, there were two annexes, Annex B, Annex A and Annex B and C. I'm sorry, three annexes. The first, Annex A, states that the engagement, the alleged, the apparent engagement. Annex B states the travel records of Mr. Michael Yang. Annex C states the shareholdings of Mr. Michael Yang Hong Ming as of May 12, 2024.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. And since there are issues about the engagement document, may I move that we invite Attorney Raymond Fortun in the next hearing to explain the issues raised by the Honorable Flores?
Okay. Comsec, please take note. You're directed to include in our invitation in the next committee hearing Attorney Raymond Fortun.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I know if Attorney Suwa is present, the alleged representative of Yatay Industrial?
Well, I was just informed right now by the committee secretary that Attorney Kenneth Suwa also sent a letter to the committee. And what was the excuse? He's referring to no, but he was representing the corporation when he appeared in the last. Nasaan yung letter?
Mr. Chair,
Yes,
Attorney Sua, when he appeared in the last hearing, promised to submit uh, the OSG application of the administrative order for OSG application regarding declaring a person a natural citizen. Uh, and then a copy of the Supreme Court ruling in Moya Limyao case. Has he submitted this document?
did he submit ComSec? No, he has not submitted, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I move that Attorney Sua be informed that he has a pending promise insofar as this committee is concerned to submit the two documents.
Yes, ComSec, you're directed to coordinate with Attorney Sua with respect to the request of Congressman Akop and with respect to his promise before the committee in the last hearing.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The BI, the Bureau of Immigration, in the last hearing was also directed to submit Michael Young's travel records, data on visa extensions, provide legal basis for the cancellation of ACR on the ground of the alien's marriage to a Filipino, and last but not the least, submit the name of the lawyers who represented the four Chinese nationals in the inquest proceedings before the Bureau of Immigration. Is the BI represented?
The Bureau of Immigration is present
Yes, sir.
and yes, Attorney.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Yes, we submitted yesterday the requirements for the legal basis for the cancellation of ACR by marriage, Your Honor. And then we previously submitted the travel record of Michael Yang during previous committee hearings. And then as for the lawyers of the individuals caught in Palawan, Mr. Manahan will discuss that, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman and honorable members of this committee. The BI submitted its compliance regarding the name of the lawyer earlier before the start of this committee and duly received, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. How about your data on visa extensions?
We will just submit them before the end of the day, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. May I know if for SEC, is the SEC present, SEC representative? Yes. In the last hearing, you also promised four things: to check the submissions of Yatay Industrial Park regarding the addresses of the incorporators. May I know if you have done this?
Mr. Chair, we have already provided the GIS with the Secretariat, which contains the addresses of the incorporated.
Okay. Number two, to check the relationship between Mr. Henry Bigay and Madam Maria Luisa Bigay.
As we have previously manifested, Mr. Chair, the corporate records submitted by the
Can you speak louder, please?
Mr. Chair, as we have previously manifested, the corporate records submitted by the shareholders or the incorporators do not contain details in relation to their relationships with the other incorporators or shareholders. Hence, as regards SEC, we could not provide details as regards the relationships between those mentioned personalities, Mr. Chair. Maybe, as we have previously also manifested, the PSA could help us with that regard.
Okay. Have you submitted the latest GIS of Yatay International Omni and Empire 999 Realty Incorporated?
Yes, Mr. Chair, those
You have?
documents have already been given to the secretary.
Okay, thank you. For PSA, have you submitted the name of the private partner for PSA Digitization Ulysses Corporation's directors and officers?
Yes, sir. And yesterday we submitted a copy of the concession agreement.
It was already submitted, Madam.
I haven't really received any, Mr. Chair. Did you have the copy, PSA? Where did you submit? Sorry, Chairman.
To the COMSEC, sir.
And Mr. Chair, last but not the least, we have a representative of the PRA here. Yes. Have you submitted the relevant documents in the issuance of retirees' visas to the Chinese nationals?
Honorable Chair, yes, we have submitted that last week.
Okay. Thank you. I think that would be all, Mr. Chair, insofar as the deliverables in the last hearing are concerned. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Akop. So the deliverables are delivered, at least passing grade. Okay, not all, but most of the requests made in the committee to our resource persons were complied to. So dito naman tayo ngayon sa may we ask the National Bureau of Investigation to update the committee on the status of the case that in the last hearing was yet to be filed. Have we filed the case? NBI.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, and may we be informed on the details of the case that were filed?
Good morning, Mr. Chairman. I am from the Department of Justice, and I confirm that yesterday afternoon, the National Bureau of Investigation filed cases for violation of RA 9165, a violation of the passport law, and falsification of public documents, Your Honor. These cases now are subject to evaluation by the Task Force on Drugs of the Department of Justice. And within a period of 5 to 10 days, we will advise the National Bureau of Investigation when they can actually file if all the documents are complete for the conduct of the preliminary investigation, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. May we know who are the respondents in this case?
If I may, Mr. Chair. Those charged with violation of RA 9165 are the following, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Willie Ong, Edith Yang, Jack Tae Yang, Elaine Chua, Michelle Santos C, Sam Go Yang, Albert Valdez C, Wenli Shi, and there are 6 other personalities with aliases, Mr. Chair. An alias Ben, alias Eric, alias Bao, alias Mr. Wang, alias Kenneth, and an alias Jasper. The complete names of which we required the National Bureau of Investigation to provide us, as well as their respective addresses in the event that subpoenas will be issued to them in the conduct of the preliminary investigation. For the falsification of public documents and use of falsified documents, the following were charged, Mr. Chair. Mr. Willie Ong, Elaine Chua, Edith Tae Yang, Jack Tae Yang, Sam Go Yang, and Albert Valdez C. And for violation of the passport law, Mr. Willie Ong and Edith Tae Yang have been charged, Mr. Chair.